Welcome to this video, guys. When you go to some websites like this or this, you can get different kinds of error like SSL pin key not in certificate chain, certificate authority invalid, or certificate common name invalid. All of these issues will print this message that say your connection is not private, and you can easily fix this by just going to advanced, and here you don't see any button. But in some websites, if you click on advanced, you can see proceed to untrusted route. Okay, here also, if you click on advanced, you can see this message proceed to whatever website you're trying to access. So you can just click on this website and you'll be taken there. But in some websites, you won't see that button. So you'll just see this message. You'll not see any message saying proceed to your website. So if that is the case, what you can do is just click on this website anywhere so that this is active and just type this is unsafe. You will not see it being typed anywhere, but you'll be taken to the website that's showing that error message. So this is how you can fix this issue. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.